everyone, I'm back with another episode of Stash or Destash. So I have a stash and a destash in here. So basically I pulled out this because this is last year's combo club. We're in this year's combo club, which is a whole year of combo club, and I'm pretty sure that I never even used it one time this whole year. So I pulled this out to use it, and I'm gonna keep it. So it's stashed, okay? But I'm gonna use it for the card that I'm gonna show you guys. And then I have some things in here that I've used or not used. One of the things I never used is airplane greetings. Now, my favorite things is a little hard to give up anytime we've got companies that are no longer with us. It makes it hard to say goodbye to their items because I know I'm not going to get them anymore. But the truth is, there's always something cute around the corner, and I gotta be willing to let go of the stuff that I've never used and have had forever. So this is going to be in my Destash. So if you don't know about my sales, I have a Destash sale twice a year. One is usually a Black Friday, and then this year I'm doing one, a mid-year one, end of June, beginning of July. So I just have so much stuff, honestly. And I craft a lot. So it's not like I don't craft a lot, because I do. It's just I also have a new craft. I knit now, and I just have so much stuff. So my goal is, of course, to make a little bit of money so that I could continue my vice of buying lots of craft things, but also so that I could clean it out of my room, which is literally out of control. Like, it's nuts. So anyway, let's get into some of the other things I'm going to say goodbye to. This one I've never ever used. It's called Spectacular Birthday. It's super cute. It's just, my kids are grown now. My youngest one just turned 18, and so I don't need to make like really kid-like cards anymore. It comes with the dies. And this one right here, which I'm going to show you some cards with this one, it's really cute. I really actually liked it a lot, but I don't know, I just am saying goodbye to it. This one I did use a bunch of times. I actually debated using it, but a lot of new book oriented things have come out that I haven't even used yet. So I have used this and I feel good about that, but it's time to pull out the other book items I have and use those. And then this one is Happy Heart, and again, all of these will be in my sale in the end of June, so very soon. Happy Heart, I obviously have used this. I actually 100% love this. I love snowman. It's a little ironic because I live in Southern California and there's no snow here. I actually never even saw snow until I was like 20 years old because there's no snow. And the one time my parents tried to take us to go see the snow, we went up to Lake Arrowhead or something. They had a heat wave, so there was no snow. But anyway, there you go. Okay, so let's talk about the cards that I made. Just to give you an idea, I'm not going to do this, of course, just the videos that I post to show some of the items that you can find in my sale. I'm posting cards with that because this is a card channel or a craft channel, so it's not a sales channel. So I want to make sure that if I'm showing you this stuff, I'm showing you some cute cards. So I made two cards. This one right here I used, I think this is a Hello Bluebird die, I think. Anyway, it's really cute. I think it's really fun. And so this one, I felt like it's kind of winter, but it could be thank you, it could be birthday. I mean, it could be other things. It doesn't say Christmas, so it doesn't say Christmas on there. It just kind of says winter. And then here's this one, which is definitely I made into a birthday card, and I think it's really, really cute. And so this, I don't know where I got this. I want to say it's Lalaland Crafts, but or not Lalaland Crafts. I want to say it's Lawn Fawn, but it can't be sure because I don't have the packaging. But this is using that combo stamp and stencil from Tailored Expressions, and I really think it's cute. I like it. So I'm going to keep it. So anyway, these are two cards and some of the items that you can find in my Destash, and I'd love to hear from you guys. if you're in the same boat, if you have tons of stuff that you bought and that you just have not used, and just trying to find all the time that you have, which is so little, to use all these items. And you know, if you're like me and you're trying to kind of shrink what you have just slightly so you can better manage your crafty time, I'd love to hear anything that you've got to say about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Praying with the Heart.